Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at AutoNanVlogs. And today I have a 1999 Toyota Land Cruiser. And if you guys know anything about the Land Cruisers, you know these things are like tanks. They last forever, they're reliable, they got some space to it, and of course they got that big V8. Here we go, Toyota Land Cruiser right there. And when I had seen this vehicle, I was like, yo, there is not a lot of Land Cruisers that come through, so I had to have my hands on this thing. And here I am trying a new camera angle. It's kind of like a wider angle, so it gets more of the vehicle, and that way it shows a little bit more instead of having it always kind of zoomed in. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out the tires here. They were pretty good tires, 275 70 R16s right here. Not bad, not bad. And we look a little bit into the interior. You can see it's got all your controls, and with this wide view I can actually show you guys most of the interior. And I gotta tell you, I really like this camera view. I kind of enjoy it because, like I said, it gets more of the entire view of the vehicle, and I'm actually really enjoying it. Like, this is nice. I really like it. And we see on the miles on this thing, 548,000 miles. That's crazy. And this thing was still driving like butter. I'm talking about, it was smooth. I hit some bumps. It was nice and nice and smooth. Didn't make any noise or anything. The seats are like really good condition, if you can tell right here. Of course, it's got a little sunroof action for you guys, and the back seats look flawless. I mean, this thing was pretty sick. And somebody did purchase this vehicle. None of these vehicles, of course, all these vehicles are not mine. Okay, somebody asked me like, hey, do you own all these vehicles? No, I do not. I have access to a car auction, and so I go and I just see pretty cool looking cars from time to time. And if I do see some that stand out to me, I record them and show them to you guys. And you know what? I enjoy it. Like, some people, like I've told this to some people, they're like, well, why do you just record the vehicle? Like, don't you get bored? And no, I don't. Like, I like to record the vehicles. Sometimes we have really cool cars. Sometimes we have, some pretty older style vehicles that some of the younger crowd wouldn't understand, like this Land Cruiser here. But yeah, I mean, I really enjoy it, and I've been getting a lot of good feedback. So I appreciate that from you guys. I appreciate you guys watching, interacting, liking the video, and sharing it. Eventually I have some bigger plans in the future for this channel. I have 5 subscribers, which is better than 0, which I really appreciate you guys. And my views are continuously going up. So, slowly but surely we're getting there. And like I said, I really appreciate you guys for watching these videos. I really enjoy uploading them, and later I'm gonna start seeing if I can get my hands on like people's cars, like one of ones, so I can just show them off here to you guys. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a 1999 Toyota Land Cruiser. If you did, give it a like, share, and comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.